Your body doesn't grow stronger from one perfect rep. It grows stronger from the total work you expose it to over time. Today is about accumulating effort, staying under control, and teaching your muscles to handle more work without rushing or breaking form. Welcome to day 19 of 15-Minute Physique. This session is Volume Accumulation Day, where the focus shifts to a higher overall workload to stimulate growth and strength using controlled, repeatable movements that your body can sustain. We begin with standing alternating knee lifts. Stand tall with your chest up, shoulders relaxed, and core lightly engaged. Slowly lift one knee toward hip height while maintaining balance and control through your standing leg, then lower it smoothly before switching sides. This movement keeps your lower body working continuously without impact, allowing you to accumulate volume through repetition rather than speed or force. Focus on staying upright, controlling the lift and the descent, and breathing steadily throughout the set. Perform this exercise for about 45 seconds, letting the repeated motion build workload across your hips, thighs, and core while reinforcing stability and coordination. Next, we move into static forward lunges. Step one leg forward into a stable stance and remain in place as you lower your body and rise back up using slow, controlled motion. Keep your torso upright, your core engaged, and press firmly through the front heel as you stand. This static position removes unnecessary movement and places constant tension on the working leg, making it ideal for accumulating volume safely. After completing the time on one side, switch legs and repeat. Work for about 40 seconds per side, maintaining a steady tempo, clean alignment, and controlled breathing to maximize muscular workload without strain. After that, we transition into standard push-ups performed at a controlled pace. Lower your body smoothly toward the floor, keeping your elbows close to your sides and your body aligned from head to heels. Press back up with control, avoiding any bouncing or rushing. The goal here isn't explosive power, but continuous high-quality repetitions that keep the chest, shoulders, and arms under constant tension. Perform push-ups for around 40 seconds, resting briefly if needed, but staying focused on maintaining strong form and consistent movement. From there, we move into a high plank hold. Set your hands directly under your shoulders and extend your body into a straight line, engaging your core, glutes, and shoulders. This static position challenges your upper body and trunk to maintain stiffness and alignment under sustained tension. Hold the plank for 30 to 40 seconds, breathing calmly and keeping your body steady, resisting the urge to sag, shift, or rush through the hold. Finally, we finish with standing shoulder press using air resistance. Begin with your hands at shoulder level, elbows slightly in front of your body, and press upward as if lifting a weight overhead. Lower your arms slowly back to the starting position, maintaining control in both directions. Keep your ribs down, neck relaxed, and shoulders stable as fatigue builds. This exercise increases shoulder volume without equipment, allowing workload to accumulate through controlled repetition rather than heavy resistance. Continue for about 40 seconds, focusing on smooth movement and constant tension through the shoulders. Today's workout is all about building strength through volume, sustained, controlled effort repeated over time. By increasing your total workload without sacrificing technique, you send a powerful signal for your muscles to adapt, grow, and become more resilient. Great work completing day 19 and preparing your body for the next stage of training. Tomorrow, we move into day 20, hybrid strength flow, where we'll combine slow movements, faster controlled actions, and isometric phases to create full spectrum strength and take everything you've built so far to the next level.